If you're looking to learn how to create AI art, the AI Art Academy is for you. These courses are designed for creatives looking to explore the new possibilities of AI art. Anyone can create AI art, and you don't need to be a programmer or fine artist. The only limit is your imagination. I will walk you through everything you need to know about AI art. We'll start off with the fundamentals and go all the way through to the most advanced features. And every step of the way, you'll have the opportunity to create your own stunning AI art. You'll also learn about copyright and ways of monetizing your new skill. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, this course will teach you everything you need to know about creating stunning pieces of art with artificial intelligence. You'll learn how to create everything from realistic portraits to fantasy landscapes. I'm also updating this course as new features come out, so you'll always have a reliable resource for AI art. At the end of this program, you'll have an impressive portfolio of AI art, a mastery of the industry-leading tools Midjourney and DALL-E, and a comprehensive understanding of how to turn your hobby into a business with 5 proven business models for making money with art. I'm Samson Volz, and I'll be your instructor. For the last decade, I've worked as a designer and artist for brands like Ralph Lauren, GoDaddy, Barclays, the Sundance Film Festival, the Royal Shakespeare Company, and many more. I also own my own design studio, where we've sold more than 50,000 graphics and illustrations to the creative community. In the past year, I've become obsessed with the AI art revolution. And in these courses, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned from making more than 10,000 AI artworks. I'm also a public speaker and an improv theatre enthusiast, so we're going to have a lot of fun along the way as well. For the first time, I'm combining all of my best-selling AI art courses into one bundle. This is your opportunity to join the AI art revolution. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll today and let's go on a journey into the world of AI art together.